Ever wondered what actually happens at the Senedd? You've probably seen the word before, but how do you actually say it? It's pronounced Senedd, which literally means Parliament in Welsh. So when we're saying Senedd Cymru, we are saying Welsh Parliament. The Senedd is where big decisions are made for Wales. Things like health, transport, education and the environment. Everything that affects your day-to-day life. There are currently 60 members of the Senedd, or MSs for short, but that'll all be changing after the election in May 2026, where there'll be 96 instead, but more on that later. The Senedd started small. Back in 1997, people in Wales voted to set up a Welsh Assembly. It first met in 1999 and has gradually gained more powers. By 2020, it officially became the Senedd, the Welsh Parliament. This is the process of devolution, of Wales getting more powers over its own decisions. Today, the Senedd can make Welsh laws and set some taxes, stuff that used to be decided in Westminster. Anything not reserved to the UK Parliament can be decided right here in Wales. So yeah, the Senedd is your Parliament, making decisions for Wales in Wales. Follow for part 2 to find out what powers the Senedd has.